Hi kids, I'm Mia. Welcome back to Mia's Cooking Skill. What? Today we're going to make Father's Day special breakfast. So you take a piece of bread. Then what you have to do, you get the cookie cutter and put it on the bread and cut it. But we don't need the middle bit, so you can just throw that out. Then you put some butter on the bread and you put butter on the bread. Once you finish putting butter on the bread, you turn the stove on and then you put the bread with the butter on the pan. Then you add egg. So you crack it and then you put it in the middle. Once you finish cracking it, you wait for 1 minute and then you flip it over. Now, since today is Father's Day special, I've got a trick to tell you. Why did Santa put all the fathers on the naughty list? Because they were all being naughty.